So I'm gonna go and open up Chrome. And then from Chrome, I'm gonna go up and open up Live Push. And I'm gonna log in automatically. I'm gonna go to the live Facebook. And I'm going to go make sure that I'm in the account for TMC, for Table Mountain Church. And then from Table Mountain Church, make sure that I'm in there and not in another account. I'm going to click on live video. I'm going to go ahead and click on live, go live. And then I shouldn't have to do anything with this. In theory, if it works, I'm going to click over here, what's your video about? And I'm going to go here to the live stream description, and I just changed this, so this is going to be the 22nd. And then I'm just going to copy this in. And then I just take the title. And I'll actually change this to Exodus 1 through 15. Alright, and then I'm just going to save this, so then I have a check here that says complete post details. Now it says connect video source, and I can't do that yet until I go over here. I'm going to go to live inputs on live push. This is the live push. And I'm going to go over here and I'm going to make sure this is not checked. I want to make sure that I have the live stream checked for the Sunday. I want to have the Twitch green, and I want to have Facebook green.
And it's worth noting to turn these off before you try and turn more on, because there's a limit of how many can be on at once.
Yeah, you can only have 3 on at once. Yeah. So hopefully this should work. And so now I'm going to go back to my OBS down here. And I am going to go ahead and click on Start Streaming. And it's going to start streaming to Facebook, Twitch, and YouTube, all through the live push. Now, Facebook is very tricky. Sometimes it can take almost 5 minutes before it actually goes. So you want to start this about 5 minutes before. All right. So we're going to click on Start Streaming. And so now I'm going to go here and I can do a live input. And what it's doing is I'm seeing the live video. And right now we're not playing anything on the slides, so that's why it's black. But this is the live stream. And you'll see over here I have 0 visitors right now to those streams. And then over here, Facebook, this is where it's a little tricky. It looks like Facebook isn't up all the way yet. So I'm going to go back in here, okay? And the good news is now it does say it has the video sources connected. I have that green check mark. And I can also see in here that it has showing my video. And now all I have to do to make Facebook is click on this Go Live down here, okay? And so as soon as I click Go Live, it should go live. So we're going to try to do that. And I should get my 3 check marks. And now if you go to Facebook and go to the Table Mountain website, you'll see, you'll see that it takes like some time. It does now say I'm live. So in theory now everything that is going through OBS is now good. And we can also double check if we want our TMC YouTube. You can see I also have a live going right here. So yep, Facebook is live, YouTube is live, and then I don't usually check Twitch.
Sweet.
Okay?
Thank you.
And that should be it. We are live.
Great. Thank you. Good.
All right, and then since we only have one screen, what you see here is what's in the coffee shop. So what you do is once you're started the stream, you're all good. You're just gonna right click with your mouse. So you take your mouse, you right click on it, do full screen projector, and then it'll be the full screen projector. So now when you're all done at the end of the service, you just press the escape key on the keyboard and it'll take you back to the small and you click stop streaming. And that's it.
For first service, all you have to do is open OBS, right click and full screen, because what's on this screen is what goes to the coffee shop.
Exactly, yep.
Cool. Thank you.